Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Attention, all home buyers. Your dream home awaits in a prime location. This expansive 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom modern house is nestled in the peaceful community of VanFair Gardens, St. Catherine. It sits on 0.17 acres. It offers the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. Enjoy easy access to the toll roads, putting both Kingston and Ocho Rios within easy reach, which is ideal for commuters and adventurers alike. Stretch out and unwind in this expansive modern house, perfect for grand gatherings or comfortable everyday living with air-conditioned rooms. Peace of mind is assured with complete fencing and grills surrounding the property, automatic gates, and other security features. Imagine waking up to the sight of lush fruit trees flourishing in your backyard, such as orange, naseberry, coconut, and many more. This property boasts 2 convenient dog kennels, making it a dream come true for pet lovers. Contact your realtor today to schedule a viewing and make this dream home yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.